January 28th, 2021, practice number 2. So integers, which of the following plotted points represents the location of the number that is the opposite of -9? So the opposite of -9. So what's the opposite of -9? A +9. So which of these have a point at the +9? Here's 0, -1, -2, -3, -9. Nope, that's not the opposite. I can actually bold and underline and italicize it. So not A. Let's see. B, that's at -6. Opposite of -9 is 9. C, that's at +6. What are they doing? Just turning it around? Turning it upside down? And then D, oh yes, between 8 and 10, that's a 9. So we're just going to drag that green circle over the letter, over letter D, and that's going to be it for our practice number 2. Great job.